So today we will be installing this closure wig from LuvMeHair. Here is the wig, you guys. After I washed it, I put conditioner in it and all that good stuff. I did bleach the knots. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all up close because these knots are beautifully bleached. I'm not gonna lie, I did over bleach my knots, but it's okay. We got that all worked out. So what I really like about this wig is that it has a built-in adjustable strap, which is great for those of you who love to do a glueless install, because I do like to do glueless installs from time to time. I'm really happy that they have this built-in elastic band because that actually helps a lot. I think I'm gonna make this install completely glueless. Right now, like I said, because it has that built-in adjustable strap, it does feel really secure on my head. Like, look at this. No glue, y'all, at all. So I think today I'm just going to do like a cute little flip over method. Look at this, y'all. Like, no glue at all. Like, that is amazing. Like, literally crazy. I love my glueless install. Never go wrong with a glueless install. But I'm gonna cut off this lace for y'all. So today I think I'm just gonna do like a flip over method. I'm not gonna have like a defined middle part or side part with this hair, so I'm just gonna use my wax stick and basically just kind of do like a flip over, but I kind of want my part to be a little more like tamed, I guess you can say. So yeah. Y'all, you really don't need any glue with this or even sprays, but I am going to use this Evan spray to kind of help me lay down my baby hairs a little bit more. This is my Shea Butter Cocoa and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is my go-to product on all of my curly wigs. Like, this is a really good product. So I'm just gonna use this throughout all my hair. And this just really just helps bring your curls to life, honestly and truly. Like, it's one of my favorite curling products to use. I just put some water in here, mousse, shea moisture, all that good stuff. But I think I'm gonna put some layers in this just to kind of help shape my face a little bit. You could leave it like this, but I like for my curly hair to kind of like help like shape my face, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit of layers, nothing too crazy.